Hey everyone! If Google Meet is lagging or freezing in 2026, like delayed video, stuck screen, or choppy audio, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, open Google Meet and check your internet speed. Slow internet is the most common cause of lag and freezing issues. Next, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Stable connection is required for smooth video calls. Now, close apps running in the background. Downloads, updates, or streaming can slow down your connection. After that, reduce your video quality in Google Meet settings. This helps improve performance on weak internet connections. Next, switch to a simpler layout or fewer participants view. This reduces system load and improves stability. Now, restart your browser or rejoin the meeting. This fixes temporary freezing or glitches quickly. After that, clear your browser cache. Stored temporary data can sometimes slow down Google Meet performance. Finally, update your browser and device software. Outdated systems often cause lag and freezing problems. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Meet lag and freezing problems in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your meetings should become smooth and stable again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for fast fixes.